We made a video like this once before, George and I. Today's date is January 2nd, 2014. George had a 5-year plan in the last video.
It's only the second year.
You can find it on YouTube if you look it up. And I just pulled into our car lot. All idiots on the road. Trying to dress warm. Yep, this will be on YouTube. We're going to get like 8 inches today and 8 inches tomorrow. We should fire these cars up first, you don't think? Si Espanol. George is back there trying to start. The mechanic is trying to start the truck. Alright, I got some friends that live in warm weather. And they're on Facebook. Rubbing it in all the time. This is the life on the bottom of the Titanic. Car Dealer Joe, 1109 Lyle Avenue. It's my car. Sliding a little bit. Pretty good though, like a tank. George, what are you going to be doing next year this time?
Probably the same thing.
Over and out.